Google Analytics is one of the most powerful tools that you can use to monitor your website's data. Now, if your website is growing, you might want to add a user to your Google Analytics account so that they can also access and monitor this data. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add a user to your Google Analytics account. This is Elliot with Verpex, and let's get straight into it. So from your Google Analytics dashboard, you are going to go down the left-hand side and click on Admin. From here, you are going to click on Account Access Management, and you will currently see all of the users in your Google Analytics account. So as we can see, we only have the administrator, which is me. So in order to add a user, we are going to click on the plus button in the top right hand corner and click on Add Users. From here, you are going to enter in the email address of the new user that you want to add to your Google Analytics account, and then you can just tick Notify New Users by email. Then we can scroll down and you will see all of the roles that you can assign to the new user. So you have administrator, which will have full control of the account. You have editor, which basically allows you to edit all of the data except for users. So that basically just means that they can't delete any users and they can't go and delete an administrator and make themselves an administrator. You have a marketer, so they can look at various different types of data. You also have an analyst and a viewer. So just assign the appropriate role to the user that you are adding, and then you can scroll down and you will see more data restrictions that you can toggle on or off. So these are regarding cost metrics and revenue metrics. So again, just choose the appropriate options for your user. You can then scroll back to the top, and in the top right hand corner, you can click on Add. You will then see that that user has now been added to your Google Analytics account. So now if we head over to the emails, we can see the email notification has been sent. So now if the new user wants to log into the Google Analytics account that you just set them up on, they simply need to just click on the link in the email. And it's as simple as that to add a new user to your Google Analytics account. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more WordPress related content. This has been Elliot with Verpex, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.